Okay guys, so I made a Stickman fight. Wait, I wanna check the message first. Okay guys, done. So in 3, 2, 1. Let's do. Oh no. Wait. I'm gonna like do it again. It's just the position. I'm gonna do it. Okay, now done. So now fight. Wait, I'm gonna do something else. No. Have to wait like 2 seconds. Wait, I'm gonna check the message. Done. So now the time he hits me, it will come to 2 seconds. Wait. I'm gonna use a link in the point 20. Let's start. No. This is like this. Can we even really just Stickman? I think we're gonna lose. No, the Stickman won. Wait. I think I did another mistake. I'm gonna do something like touching mouse pointer. That's the thing. I'm gonna do it another time. Now I'm gonna do it. Can we not even beat this Stickman? Let's see if we can beat this. Please. Yes, I won. Wait. I think I won. Pause the video and go back to see who won. Tell me in the comments. See you later.